Good morning, Professor Chavali. Thank you so much for visiting Smart Lab
Thank you,
Tech
sir. Thank you for
Hall.
having me here.
It's been a pleasure having you here. My question to you is, how has such expos helped universities and how is it helping the students in general?
I mean, most of the things are going into compact portability, which reduces the cost, and at the same time, each and every individual is going to handle it in a proper way, so that more exposure to the standard for the students and also more practical exposure on the specific type of instruments, with competition increasing day by day. That is giving the skill for the student while he learns. That's one of the important things, and at the same time, each and every instrument is coming with different detectors. So they get trained in interpretation of the data results, and at the same time, how to handle the detector as well.
Very nice. So instrumentation is nowadays based on AI and ML.
Yes.
Are the students really skilled to take up all these instruments?
It's too early to say for AI, but once you have the data set, probably you can give a try with the AI. With AI, chemometrics, ML, deep learning, all these things should be taught in the first year itself for the students, so that in the second year probably they will be able to utilize some of these data sets using AI, so that they can get better results. At the time being, it is too early to say, but they are definitely useful.
Okay. So with this automation going in such a rapid pace, are we missing out on the basics of chemistry and the basic of science?
Yes, the skill of the students compared to my years and now, they were unable to prepare the standards to the second decimal or third decimal. That is one thing that is happening. We are seeing it, and also if you try to mix different acidic concentrations with this particular one or two ingredients into it, that is very difficult for the students to prepare right now. But in fact, in the yesterday years, they used to prepare everything in one go without the help of the instrumentation. But time is one of the important things. If you have number of samples in bulk, maybe 500 or 1,000, then this is going to be automation is the one which is helping the students also. But of course, if you go for postdocs, people are looking at AI, ML, automation, so that they get the jobs easily.
Absolutely. And my other question, rejoin question is, the instrumentation is a big market.
Yeah.
Okay. And are our students slowly moving into more of a Ph.D. into instrumentation side only and not into the basics?
Yes, they are using it as a tool to get the results. That's all, nothing else.
Okay.
And of course, these people, once they open the instrument, for example, my own students, they don't know how to change, how to tune the light, optics, and so on and so forth. And they don't know the optics components. What is off-axis mirror, what is parabolic mirror, how it functions, what is convergence, divergence, all these things. They're simply using it as a box, so that they will be able to get some results.
Like an operator.
Whether it is 100% or 90%, they are least bothered.
Right.
They get some result, so they are using this as a box,
Right.
so that they are going to go ahead with that. That's all. Unless until specifically involved in instrumentation, PG, and those are the ones who are going to hyphenate and connect these things, the 2-3 things. Only those people are literally utilizing it. Other than that, basic, they are just using it as a tool.
So since you are an academic, this question is more up to you. Do you think India can go to the next level of making our own sophisticated instruments like HPLCs and NMR and all?
Of course, we do have magnetrons, magnets and everything, but the thing is, there is no proper specific architecture and layouts and so on and so forth. So that's one of the things where people are trying to make themselves easier to look at the design things, so that the compactness is lost. Once the compactness is lost, the instrument is bulkier. So the shape is out, appeal is out, so on and so forth. That's one of the areas where, that's one of the reasons why we don't even have a proper UV visible, which is much bulkier, heavyweight, and at the same time, which is not so commercialized in most of the advanced instrumentation centers or research laboratories. There's one area we need to look at. Once this is answered, probably if you talk about prototypes, most of the prototypes are coming from India. Once it has to be commercialized and put it to the appeal, good looks and all, so on and so forth, then probably we have a chance in the next decade.
Super, well spoken. Thank you so much, sir, for all your time.
Thank you.
Very much.